Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x to the power of 6 and x to the power of number 7, we can do about factorization. We know that the square root of x to the power of 6, you got about x to the power of 3. And this one, the square root of 1 minus x, you got about 1 minus x to the power of 1 over 2. And now we can apply the formula in here. That's about beta. And we have a b equals to the integration from 0 to number 1 s to the power of a minus 1 and 1 minus s to the power of b minus 1 ds. So we need to find the value of a and the value of b. So we have a minus 1 equals to number 3, b minus 1 equals to 1 over 2. So we put negative number 1 and negative number 1 go to the right. And we have a equals to 3 plus 1 is about number 4. b equals to 1 over 2 plus 1. We have 3 over 2. So the final answer of this one, that should be about number 4 and 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.